Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at STO, and we can see here this is all data monthly, and just want to focus on this period here where the stock had the steepest run up since it IPO'd in 2001. This is the biggest continuous move to the upside. Now there is a reason for this, and check the description of the video for a playlist where I discuss Muathe's first RSI mountain, and it's very simple concept. We can see here the biggest continuous run up in this stock from here to here. So let's do it like that, and you can see this is from a, let's call it under $5 all the way to the highs here of about 19. Why? Because the RSI made its first move above 69.1, and what I call a mountain. In other words, it stayed above 69.1 for the first time ever. That tends to be the biggest move for a stock. So it makes sense to be always on the lookout for these types of situations where an IPO moves above 69.1, meets our minimum requirements. As long as it is moving above and holding above 69.1, there is a chance it might meet the minimum requirements for Muathe's first RSI mountain, which is typically something akin to this. And you can see evidence of this, that there's something special when this happens for the first time, because even here, a good example, since 2002, this is the biggest, steepest run up in the stock. Since then, the moves have not been as fluid. Why? Number one is because they're not holding above 69.1. But the key for this video is just to illustrate and emphasize this concept. If you see a stock moving above RSI 69.1 for the first time ever, something good is about to happen, especially if it can sustain levels above that 69.1 threshold. Here we can see it moved from, let's call it mid 2003 all the way to mid 2006. So you're talking about 3 years where the stock held up above 69.1 threshold, and you would have had a chance of owning part of this amazing run. So one more time, check the description of the video for a playlist that discusses this in detail. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Woo! Yeah.